Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing my roundup of my 2023 favorites that I'm in love with and I can't do without. And if you like this kind of videos, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new on this channel, my name is Magdalene. On this channel I talk about fashion, travel and lifestyle. So let's get into this because there seem to be a lot and I've been shopping. So let's first I will talk about the accessories because there seems to be quite a lot. So for me, I think my favorite thing to shop are handbags. So let's start with the bags. My favorite 2023 handbag is this Michael Kors bag, which is my first ever designer handbag I bought. I've got another Michael Kors handbag, but this is my first. And it's a Michael Kors bag, jet set bag. Very, very nice. I wore it to GT Fashion Weekend and I'm loving the way it looks like. Look at the bag. Very beautiful. This bag, I love this bag. I've been looking for any and everything to wear this bag out. The only thing I don't want to do is to wear it to the office because it wouldn't even fit my office laptop. But I can wear it anywhere and I'm loving the look. It's a pastel pink color, as you can see. Very nice color. The only issue I have on this, I wish it was black or brown so it would be easier for me to style out more than when it's just pink color like this. So this is one of my favorite handbags of 2023, followed by this bag I got from Pre-One. It's a thrifted brand. It's a nickel brown handbag. So I never knew that I could get so much compliment on this bag. This bag I just brought it to the office and I put it seated on my office table and I caught the attention of my female colleagues that love bags just like I do. This bag is really, really nice and I'm like, so I have good eyes. Anyway, this bag, I love the bag. It's a nickel brown bag. I saw the bag, I just knew I really had to have it. I picked other options of bags on there. I was shopping it on the Pre-One website, but I decided to go for this because it's a nice gray bag with an accent of baby blue, so it doesn't really look too gray, too blue. It's just a mix of both, a blend of both, and I'm loving it. I love this handbag. Though the issue I had when I got this bag is that the strap was very, very long. It's more like it's for tall girl, very tall girl friendly bag, but I am not really that tall. I am 5'5", so the bag was still too long for me, so I had to get it adjusted from this place, the chain strap, so it could fit easily for me. And I am still going to wear this bag. I got for 2023 is this woven bag. This is a very nice chic beach bag. It's also a nice evening bag, so if you have an evening date, you just fit in your phone and your lipstick and you're good to go. More like a date night bag or a beach bag, just like a vacation bag. It's a very nice bag. I got it from Ego Shoes and I'm loving this bag. I traveled with this bag to Cross River, and anytime I want to go on vacation, I think this bag I will easily reach out for it because it's a very nice, easy bag. So you may be wondering, what will I fit into this kind of bag that is quite transparent? Well, I can fit in as much as possible, just that my phone will be on my hand because it is very, very transparent, and you wouldn't be putting cash into this kind of bag. You know it's obviously transparent, but if you are in your resort, your hotel, you want to go out, take good pictures, go to the beach, this is a very nice bag to have and I'm loving that. Then this other bag is from Amazon. I love this bag. It's a very nice evening bag to reach out for when it comes to handbag to wear for a date night, for going out with the girls, for going to events. This bag is what I love. Though it cannot really fit in my phone because it's a cloth style handbag. It doesn't really fit in your phone, just your valuables, and that's a nice shoulder strap bag and I'm loving the way it turns out. So another favorite of mine for 2023 is a cap. For the days when you are having bad hair days and you don't want to make your hair, but you need to run your errands, you want to go and pick your child in school, you want to just dash out and go and get something downstairs, you want to go to the market, this comes in handy for me. Very, very easy to just throw on and go, you know, and you're ready to go. Probably I love this cap is because it's carton brown, so it's brown and it doesn't really pick colors, so it is not a cap I have to think too much to style, and that's the reason I love this cap. These shoes from Ego Shoes, like this style is more like a dupe of Bottega Veneta. They are the ones that normally produce these square tip shoes, and this is a dupe of it from Ego Shoes. A very nice, easy shoes. The heel is very, very comfortable. If you are looking for easy shoes to wear for going out, every lady needs to have a going out shoes in their closet, so that for days when you have a date, days you need to go to an event, you just throw it out and go. I love the shoes, very very comfortable, and the lining is soft from underneath. You can see how it looks like, very soft, so your feet will be very cozy and sitting properly on it. It is very comfortable. Like one of the most comfortable pair of heels I've gotten in a very long time, and I'm loving the vibe it's giving me. Then this pair of that sandals that I got from Ego Shoes is my go-to when it comes to Friday dress down, or I need to go out to get something fast. This pair of Ego Shoes, that sandals, I got it for like $7. Very nice pair of shoes. This shoes is very perfect for going out, for running your errands. This chunky heel is what I love. It's not very flat. It's very good for this my environment and my terrain, because it's strong. It has good grip of the floor. It is not it's good with friction. You cannot just fall in these shoes. I love the shoes because it's very easy to style. I wear it mostly when it's Friday dress down, when we don't do more of my work environment is such that we don't do corporate as we do more of business casual. So Fridays you're free to wear sandals to work, and I'm loving the vibe it gives me. I easily reach out to it to style my outfit for Friday. Then the sneakers that I know I recently got towards the end of last year, and I think I've worn it like I've worn the sneakers. You think I wear from January to December last year. Very nice pair of black sneakers. I got it with the white, with its white version or companion or whatever it is, but I've not worn the white one as much as I've worn the black one, and I still think it's not as if I don't like the white one. Don't get me wrong, I like the white one. Maintenance is the reason I'm avoiding that one, but the black one, I know if you like step on me when I'm entering the bus, I don't care. All I have to do is just dust it and I'm ready to go. So I love this. But with the white one, I know when someone steps on you or something pour on it, you have to start scrubbing and washing. Maybe that's why I just avoid the white sneakers. So I know I will still wear it, but I bought them during the Black Friday sales on Chicme, and I'm loving it. So when it comes to outfits that I bought in 2023 that I'm in love with, this blazer, you can see. Okay, so this blazer I love. I like to style this in my outfits. The sleeveless blazer. I have this bodysuit that I wear. It is this a little bit low cut at the back, and I still want to wear it for work. So I have to figure out what to do when it comes to styling that bodysuit. It's a very nice chic yellow bodysuit. I now went to get this blazer, and since then I can't stop buying sleeveless blazers. So the second sleeveless blazer that I always get compliment from is this new look blazer. It's a very nice chic blazer, though it is currently very hot where I am, but I can't wear this now until maybe during the rainy seasons. This is a very nice chic blazer. If you wear this just because of your cold office environment, you will be very hot. That's how much this thing is very warm. I think it's more like a winter blazer because it's thrifted and it was gotten from abroad. So I guess that's why it is like this. The brand is called New Look. It's very warm. It's a sleeveless blazer. So the next set or category I want to talk about is pants. So if you watch my video on my favorite outfits that I wore in 2023 that I know that I would love to recreate again, you realize that I said in that video that I love to wear pants more than skirts now. So skirts is no longer my thing, maybe because I'm not getting the pants. So my favorite pants for 2023 are these pants. The first one I'm going to talk about is this print pants that I got from Chicme. I love this pants. It comes as a set of like a pantsuit set, but I've always been reaching for the pants a lot because it is very easy to style. It goes so well with everything. The undertone print is brown, very easy to just pull brown color and wear, pull out white from it and wear it, and it's very easy to style. So basically that's why I like this pants. Very chic. It's a little bit high-waisted. I will insert a picture of the way I styled it, and I've been reaching out to style it. So this is a very nice, one of my favorite pants that I go to, like when I need a pants, I will just go for it. And there's another great pants that I love. It was one of my mostly worn pants in 2023. I will insert a picture of it. That great pants, I wore it to death. Now I have to take it, wash it again and start wearing it again. So that's the reason why I not feature it in this video. This high-waisted pant is another pant I got. It's a paper waist high-waisted pant. I got it thrifted. So I don't know why the this pant was already in Thrift, because it is really nice and unique. Also because it's unique, because many people don't know how to style this kind of high-waisted pants. It has belt loops all, and it's also pleated in front, so I love the fact that it's giving me edgy style. It is not just a bland high-waisted pant, it has its own detail and is unique. That's the reason I'm liking this high-waisted pants. And of course, the last but not the least of all of the outfits that I shopped for in 2023 is this skirt. So it comes as a set. It's a sleeveless top and a skirt set, but this one is the skirt and it's my most worn skirt of 2023. I wore it. In short, this skirt, you complain that I'm wearing it too much. I love this skirt. Very nice chic skirt. I when I saw this skirt, I just knew I was going to wear it a lot. It makes me feel like, this is nice and chic. So I always like to style it easily with the color. So it is more like a navy color with prints. The print is green, so you can just pull out colors from it: green, white, navy. You can go wear it with black and wear with brown. So I'm loving this skirt. It's one of my go-to skirt. And whenever I get the set of bodysuits that I want to get, hopefully soonest, you will see that skirt featured in almost all my outfits on this channel. So guys, if you like this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, join this family because we are growing over here. Till another time, bye guys.